In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic dropdown to Jotform. We'll walk through this together from inside your Jotform account. So if you'd like to follow along, go ahead and open Jotform in your browser. First, log into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in your dashboard, look through your list of forms and choose the form where you want to add a dynamic dropdown. Click on that form to open it in the Form Builder interface. This is where you can customize and design every part of your form. Inside the Form Builder, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with a plus icon that lets you add new elements. Click on that plus icon to expand the list. Jotform calls these form elements, and this is where you'll find basic fields like short text, email, as well as dropdowns, checkboxes, and more. Scroll through this list until you find the standard dropdown element. When you see it, click and hold, then drag it onto your form. Drop it exactly where you want your dynamic dropdown to appear. You can place it between existing fields or at the bottom of the form, and don't worry, you can always move it later if you change your mind. Now that the dropdown is on your form, it's time to customize it. Click on the dropdown field you just added. At the top of the field, you'll see a placeholder text that usually says type a question. Highlight that text, then type in the actual question or label you want your users to see. For example, you might write something like select your department or choose a product category, depending on the purpose of your form. Next, look at the options area for the drop-down. Click inside the options box to start adding your choices. Type the first option you want to appear in the list, then press enter on your keyboard. This will create a new line for the next option. Type the second option, press enter again, and keep repeating this process until you've added all the choices you need. Take a moment to double check spelling and order, because this is exactly what your users will see. When you're happy with your question and your list of options, go to the bottom of the drop-down settings and click Save Changes. Your dynamic drop-down is now part of your form and ready to use.